Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a modified version of the car parking multiplayer. So this will allow you to get unlimited cash and unlimited coins for the game. So I'm going to go ahead and load into the game, show you guys that currently this is a fresh account. I have like barely any cash and 0 coins. So I will show you how to max this out, and you can use this to purchase anything for absolutely free. This is working for both iOS and Android devices, so I'm going to go ahead and close out now. What you guys want to do is go ahead and go to settings. Once you're in settings, go ahead and go to general. We're going to go ahead and click on background app refresh and make sure you have it set to enabled. Now, if you're on an Android device, you may not have this setting on your mobile device. So if you're on iOS, just try to follow along as best you can. So we're going to go to our internet browser now, and we're going to go to this website right here. So this is the website we're going to be using to install the modified version. So go ahead and click search. Make sure you type it in correctly. Once it loads up, go ahead and tap on the search bar and just go ahead and type in car parking. And there it is right there. It says for iOS and Android, this is the car parking multiplayer mod. So I've already installed this, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click start injection, and it's going to start downloading the new modified version onto your device. Now, this should only take maybe 30 to 40 seconds, and I would suggest being connected to Wi-Fi as well, so it does download much quicker. But yeah, right now it is just injecting all the files. So let's give it a second to load up. And we're going to go ahead and open up our car parking multiplayer. So we're going to go ahead and wait for the game to load up. And there you guys see it right there. The cash and the coins started increasing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And until next time, see you guys.